Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the repair safe and focused. Unplug the adapter and remove it from any power source. This prevents shocks and short circuits. Once done, visually inspect the plug housing and cable stress point and identify whether the problem is a loose prong, frayed insulation, or broken strain relief. Prepare your tools: small Phillips, spudger, needle nose pliers, and optionally a low-wattage soldering iron, so you can open the housing without forcing parts and avoid further damage. You now open the plug housing deliberately, inserting a spudger into the seam and working around clips to avoid breaking the shell. Once opened, inspect solder joints, wire insulation, and the prong assembly. Use a multimeter to confirm continuity and find intermittent breaks. If a conductor is frayed, strip back 2-3 mm, tin the wire and resolder to the terminal, or replace the magnetic/plug connector if the pins are corroded. Make sure mechanical strain relief is secure before closing the case. You finish by carefully reassembling the housing, making sure wires sit in the strain relief and clips engage without pinching insulation. Once closed, plug the charger into a grounded outlet and measure output voltage to confirm correct value. Then connect to your Macbook and monitor charging behavior and temperature for several minutes. If it fails intermittently, reopen and reflow questionable solder joints, replace the connector, or opt for a genuine replacement adapter. Safety first, since a failing charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.